Amazon today announced another small Alexa device, a smart plug that allows you to control what is connected to Alexa. The plug has no built-in microphones, so you will need an Echo device elsewhere in your home to control it by voice. But once it is configured, you can control it inside or outside the house from Alexa or the Alexa application. The plug will sell for $25, which is practically the standard price for this type of device. There are already a lot of smart plugs, many of which already work with Alexa, and most of them support several smart home systems, which gives them an advantage over this device. But Amazon believes that this product can be highlighted by its configuration. Amazon says it has created a simple and automatic configuration process for Echo devices, and this smart plug is one of the first devices to support it.